There is no doubt that Chief Justices and the senior judiciary have a fundamental role to play in promoting environmental justice and sustainable development. As leaders of the legal profession and law enforcement community, they can also create public awareness in environmental issues or matters relating thereto. Prior to attending the Roundtable meeting for ASEAN Chief Justices on Environment in Jakarta in December 2011, I perceived that the role of judges or judiciary in the conservation of environment is only limited to hearing environmental related cases that are brought to the court. This has completely changed after I attended the Jakarta meeting. The meeting was convened and hosted by the Asian Development Bank, the Indonesian Supreme Court, and supported by United Nations Environment Programme. Credit must therefore be given to ADB, the Indonesian Chief Justice, and UNEP for organizing the Roundtable meeting, creating not merely an environmental awareness to people like me, but also it provides the networking for us within the ASEAN judiciaries. I was pleasantly surprised to hear of the success stories of our ASEAN counterparts, especially in the establishment of green benches and the promotion of environmental justice. The establishment of Green Court signifies the importance that the judiciary in those countries have given to environmental matters. I'm happy to say that Green Bench will soon be established in Malaysia effective September this year. On my return from Jakarta meeting, a team building program was conducted for judges at our national park in Pahang. Judges were taken for a night walk in the 130 million year old forest, traveled through rapids and rivers. Special sessions with the Aborigines was arranged for the judges to appreciate the close link between the lives of the Aboriginal people and the environment. The highlight of it all was the briefing on the challenges faced by the enforcement agency in protecting the forest and the wildlife. The program was organized to instill environmental awareness among our judges. On the part of the Malaysian judiciary, I welcome the creation of Asian Judges Network on Environment, which is technically assisted by ADB. It is an excellent avenue for the judiciaries to share the ways different jurisdictions seeks to promote environmental justice and ensure effective environmental adjudication. Judges can share what they have in common with their colleagues and further strengthens the institutional capacity within their jurisdictions. The Malaysian judiciary will give its full commitment to AJNE. I personally would like to thank ADB for creating this important platform for judges. Lastly, I wish to emphasize that each and every one of us can contribute towards the betterment of our environment. No matter how small our contribution may be, it will go a long way towards environmental conservation. Since we share the common environment that support our lives, it is therefore imperative that for us to work together in preserving the environment and achieving a sustainable development in this part of the world. Thank you.